10 million euros buys you a very specific slice of the Marbella beachfront. Usually, buyers looking at that price point in this postcode are hunting for sprawling 8-bedroom compounds to house extended family and staff. But the Azure Horizon Villa takes a massive beachfront footprint and allocates it to exactly 3 bedrooms. The architects deliberately traded total sleeping capacity for a lifestyle of uncrowded, frictionless luxury. To evaluate a property like this, you have to throw out the traditional real estate metric of maximizing sleeping capacity and instead look at the specific lifestyle return on investment it offers. We are going to break down the specific trade-offs of this 2024 new build to see if it actually matches what you need in your portfolio. The core dilemma for any buyer in Marbella comes down to geography. Do you buy a massive estate up in the hills, or do you optimize a prime plot right on the sand? This diagram compares a typical hillside lot to the tight reality of the beach. Down here, you are constrained by a 900 square meter plot. Inside, you have exactly 586 square meters of interior space. You must be incredibly intentional with how you allocate every single meter. Because space is finite, every wall you build is a zero-sum decision. You are either adding a room to sleep more guests, or you are expanding the spaces where the primary owners entertain. That brings us to the first major trade-off, dedicating nearly 600 square meters to a mere 3-bedroom suites. By stripping out extra bedrooms, the architects freed up the main floor to create massive, hyper-optimized open-plan living areas. Without internal walls chopping up the floor plan, you get a seamless transition from the interior lounge straight through to the outdoor patio. This quadrant chart measures guest capacity on the horizontal axis against entertainment value on the vertical axis. Watch where this property plots. It severely lacks sleeping capacity, but it completely maxes out its entertainment value. The downside is clear. If your goal is to host large, extended family holidays all under one roof, you will struggle here. The upside is that the primary owners gain an uncrowded, highly breathable daily living experience. This layout actively filters out the buyer looking for a multi-generational compound and heavily favors the intimate entertainer. Let's move down to the subterranean leisure level. Beach houses rarely include heavy entertainment infrastructure because they are often designed for summer use only. Here, you have a private cinema and an integrated geometric bar built directly into the floor plan. Right beside it sits a heated indoor lap pool designed specifically for off-season training. These specific amenities transition the property from a 2-month summer vacation home into a fully functional 365-day-a-year compound. But putting a heated body of water underground next to the ocean requires a serious technological backbone: aerothermal climate control. You need aerothermal technology in a build like this to actively manage subterranean humidity and prevent the dampness that plagues older beachfront homes. The villa's integrated smart home automation handles this environmental management automatically behind the scenes without you ever touching a dial. That makes the leisure level heavily engineered to solve the traditional maintenance and seasonal limitations of living right on the water. That brings up the second major dilemma: paying a hard premium for a 2024 new build versus buying an older beachfront plot and renovating it yourself. This property comes with high-quality materials already installed, like premium timber ceilings and natural stone finishes. It is also delivered fully furnished, anchored by a fully equipped designer kitchen that is ready on day one. This scale weighs capital spent against time saved. Buying an older plot means factoring in the massive time cost of ground-up renovations, contractor delays, and supply chain bottlenecks. With this property, the premium price is literally buying back 2 to 3 years of your time. The obvious trade-off is that buying turnkey means accepting someone else's design taste. You sacrifice the ability to personalize the structure from the ground up. Ultimately, a significant portion of that 10 million euro price tag is an investment in the total elimination of friction. You drop your bags and you start living. At the end of the day, the primary value driver here is the direct ocean view and immediate beachfront access right from your private suite. To reiterate, prime location combined with absolutely zero renovation headaches, this specific layout matches your criteria perfectly. This scorecard breaks down 3 specific needs: zero friction move-in, year-round entertaining, and direct beach access. The reality is that turnkey properties built to 2024 specifications rarely hit the open market along this particular stretch of the coast. If these trade-offs align with your portfolio, bypass the open market.